All right, so going through these last two examples, we get a little bit more complicated. So looking at problem 8, or the second example on our paper, we are trying to find the measure of QSR. So we are looking for this angle right here. But in order to do that, I'm going to use the fact that angle TSR is 180 degrees. And if that's 180 degrees, then the measure of angle TSP plus the measure of angle PSQ plus the measure of angle QSR is going to equal 180 degrees because they're going to create that straight angle. I know that TSP is 4x minus 8, so I'm going to do 4x minus 8 plus, and then PSR or PSQ is 34, so plus 34 plus, and then QSR is 76 minus x equals 180 degrees. So that's how I'm setting up my equation. Knowing this, now we're going to combine like terms. So I have 4x and a negative x. So that's going to give me 3x because I'm going to do 4x minus 1. And then I'm going to do negative 8 plus 34 plus 76, or 34 plus 76 minus 8. Remember commutative property, and as long as I keep the negative with the number that is negative, then we are okay. So when I do that math, I get 102. And that equals 180. From here, I'm going to subtract 102 because I'm going to solve for x. So now 3x equals, oh my goodness, it was not wanting to type in the way it was supposed to type in. There we go. Equals 78. Divide both sides by 3. And we end up with the fact that x is 26. Now, I finished finding x, but it didn't ask me to stop at x. It asked me to find QSR. So the measure of angle QSR is 76 minus x. I know that x is 26, so I'm going to replace it. 76 minus 26, and 76 minus 26 is 50 degrees. So I know that the measure of angle QSR is 50 degrees, so the answer is C. And this is the work we went about to get it. Moving on to our last example, we're wanting to find the measure of angle ADC. So this is ADC is this one right here. I do know that if by vertical angles, FDE is equal to ADC. So if I can find FDE, then I know what ADC is. But before I can do either of that, I have to find X. So I know that these two angles here create a straight angle. So I can say that the measure of angle CDE plus the measure of angle EDF equals 180 degrees. They create a line. I know that CDE is 2x plus 1, and that EDF is x minus 7, which gives me 100. Again, they will add to 180 degrees. Combine like terms, 2x plus 1x is 3x. 1 minus 7 is a negative 6, so I've got 3x minus 6 equals 180. I'm going to add 6 to both sides, so that 3x equals 186. I'm going to divide by 3. So now AX equals 186 divided by 3, which is 62. Now again, that's X, that's not my angle. I want this angle because that is vertical to this angle. These two are equal. So this angle is X minus 7. So then I'm going to do 62 minus 7, which is 55 degrees. So the measure of angle ADC equals 55 degrees. And that is the work that goes along with it. Again, we're looking for supplementary angles or straight angles, so what angles add to 180, or how can I use vertical angles to get what I need. I hope that helps. I will see you in class.